Hey, what's going on, people? It's Ted again, back with Tech Vitamins, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the new features that Jelly Bean's going to be bringing to you. And Jelly Bean, if you're not familiar with that, is the new version of Google's mobile operating system, Android 4.1. So, show you this here. Just to show that we are actually on 4.1, and they did include another Easter egg, good old Jelly Bean, and if you hold it you get the floating jelly beans. So just their included Easter egg. So fun stuff. We'll go ahead and jump into the actual real features here. What I want to get into first here is going to be the revamped search, which is just much more robust now. It might not be too great because I'm on my 3G connection. My Wi-Fi is actually out right now. My internet connection is actually out. But we'll go ahead and take a quick look at this search here. You can actually ask it conversational things now, so it's not, you don't have to be so direct. How old is Eli Manning?
Eli Manning is 31 years old.
So it'll talk back to you, and it'll give you this information in a little card if it can. We'll try another one here. What was the score of the Orioles game?
The Orioles beat the Indians 9-8.
Alright, so you can also ask it like sports things, so kind of close to Siri. Try another one here. Who is the richest man in the world? Looks like it's taking its time here. Okay, yeah, so I asked this one on purpose because if it can't give it to you in like a nice card format, it just gives you regular Google searches. What I really wanted to show you was the Google Now feature. So they've got that search, and then it also integrated into it is Google Now, and the way that you can get to it is you hold down the home screen and then slide up to that little Google button. So when you open up Google Now, they've got it displayed in what they call cards, and these cards are adaptive, and they'll learn your patterns. So they've got the ability to learn when you would wake up and go to work, and it can give you traffic update, hence the name Now. So it's just real cool information like that. Now I haven't used it too much just yet because I just put this ROM on the phone, but I could show you a few samples. So you saw the weather, you saw the sports when I searched for it, so you can get traffic. It'll tell you, based on the actual traffic that's going on. It'll tell you how long you've got till you get home. Excuse me. If you travel, you can get updates for your flight, appointments. If you're also traveling, you can get translation. You can get currency. And if you need to call back home, you can figure out if it's a decent time to call back home, which is pretty cool. So that's Google Now. What they also did revamp as well, what I like a lot, is the notifications. So when you pull down your new notifications tab, you can see that they've got the date nice and large up here, also with the time. Still has your shortcut to settings, and then this is the new cancel button. But what I really like, and what they've done is, you can see here I sent a test email to myself. And if I needed to see, if it was something important, you can expand the email and you get a little blurb of what it is. Mine's real short, so it shows the whole thing. And you can also shrink it back down again, so there's expandable and collapsible notifications. And I dismiss that by doing that, but well, that was that. You got to see that, and then also, of course, you can also, you know, go ahead and swipe to remove those as well. Now, what you can also do too, if you receive a call from somebody that has another mobile number, you can also message or call them back directly from the notification bar. So they've kind of amped up the notification bar, and those are some real nice features as well. What they've also gone and done with the widgets, which is real nice, is ones that you can you know, resize, will automatically resize if you drag them over to another desktop that doesn't have enough room. So I've got my Gmail widget as big as it can go, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it over here. And as you can see, go one more screen here. As you can see, that's not going to fit because I've got a 4x4 widget and there's only 3x4 left. So if I drop it, see how it automatically resized itself to fit on that screen. So that is real cool. And then also too, if you're moving stuff around, the icons will jump out of the way and they'll let you place it wherever you want to place it. So just a little added convenience, but real nice if you're always moving stuff around on your desktop. They also brought some updates to the camera, which is a real nice feature. So I'm just going to take a quick picture of my hand, and when I take a picture, watch, you'll see the shot pop out right to the right. So I'll take another one, and then if you want to go back and review it, you swipe to the left and it pops you right back into your like camera roll or gallery, and you can review those pictures. And if you want to get rid of them, you pinch and you get like a smaller camera roll, if you will. And if you want to delete something, you just swipe up and you can delete it. So that's real nice. So you hit back and you're right back at the camera. And another feature that I really like is just the subtle animations, and then the overall smoothness of the new Jelly Bean update, and that's being brought to us by what Google calls Project Butter. Project Butter is just their shot at smoothing out the operating system, trying to get a steady 60 frames per second out of the operating system. And it is, I don't know how well it's transferring onto the video, but it is just liquid smooth. I mean, just, you know, going through everything here, it's just so nice and so smooth. So I don't want to say that they're quite there like iOS, but they're taking a lot of consideration into you know, user interaction and input with the phone, taking precedence over, you know, background operations. So just, you know, overall smoothness of everything is just real nice. Popping up, going through previous applications is just like butter smooth, hence Project Butter. And like I said, the animations are real cool. So watch, if I tap something to open it up, you see how it kind of expanded from the bottom corner. So if I tap something from the right corner, you'll see it expand down. So just little subtle animations, kind of sweeten up the deal Jelly Bean brings. And then they've also gone ahead and made some additions to the keyboard as well. The keyboard's got predictive text. So it's like testing for the first time. And that was something I typed earlier, so it remembered. And you know, the more and more you use it, the more useful it will get. Learning your habits of what you type in, it'll go ahead and try and predict what you're typing. So yeah, guys, I mean that's pretty much it. That's Jelly Bean and all the big features that it'll be bringing to you. Everything else will be happening behind the scenes. And let us know what you think. Leave your comments below. Take care.